Did you know that influencer marketing is a $21.1 billion industry? And over 20% of the content creators and influencers make over $100,000 a year minimum. Businesses on average are now spending between $10,000 to over $1 million on influencers. Every business, big or small, wants influencers to promote their products and services. But hiring human influencers is expensive, unpredictable, and time-consuming. The problem with influencer marketing today is simple. Real influencers charge thousands for a single post. They can't always deliver on time or as promised, and scaling campaigns with human influencers is nearly impossible. For most businesses, influencer marketing is out of reach. Now, imagine if you could create your own influencers, lifelike, AI-powered, and always available without spending thousands or dealing with the drama of real influencers. Picture this, an AI-generated character, fully customizable to fit your exact needs, male or female, young or old, in any niche, ethnicity, or location. You can design their appearance, from skin tone to hairstyle, outfits to accessories, making them the perfect fit for any brand or campaign. Sounds unreal, right? We thought so too, but after months of R&D, building, testing, improving, and optimizing, we finally built a solution that does exactly the same for you. Introducing AIfluencers, the world's first AI platform that lets you create and customize lifelike virtual influencers in minutes. These AI influencers can engage audiences, promote products, and help businesses grow, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're a marketer, an agency owner, or entrepreneur, AIfluencers makes it easy to tap into the booming influencer market. Want an AI influencer for fitness? Create a virtual trainer who inspires and motivates audiences with workout tips and sell courses or meal plans. Need an influencer to promote luxury products? Craft a chic, stylish persona that exudes sophistication and class, ready to sell lifestyle-based products and services. Running a tech startup? Build a geeky, approachable character that simplifies complex concepts for your audience, ready to pitch software products or AI courses. Here's how you can create your own army of social media influencers, posting content daily, generating massive fan following, and making you tons of money doing that. Simply log into the AIfluencers dashboard and click on Create AIfluencer. Customize your influencer's name, ethnicity, hairstyle, personality, and outfit, and then generate their profile picture in seconds. You can also set the profile to be public so that you can rent, sell, or share your new AI influencer with other users. You can also embed your influencer on your websites or members area where they can chat with their fans or private members. Now, next, head over to Content Generator. Right here, you can create more pictures of your influencer in different background, locations, and outfits. You can choose to change their pose, you can upload a picture of someone else and face swap them with your influencer and create new images with different outfits that you found online, but now with your own influencer. Isn't this amazing? But there's more. Next up, click on Create Video. And here, you can write a script or copy-paste one you already have and have a video created with your influencer in the video, talking and speaking that same script in any language and accent that you want. You can even clone your own voice and use your own voice for the influencer. Plus, you can create slideshow-style videos using the video editor feature. And you can also create videos using just a prompt featuring your influencer inside the video. Simply describe what you want the video clip to be, and AIfluencer will generate a high-quality AI video with your influencer featured in the video. Now, last but the most important feature that will make a lot of money for you is the product shoutout. Here, you can upload any product that you want your influencer to feature in a video or an image, and AI will create that with your influencer featuring that product. Imagine getting paid thousands to promote a beauty product with your influencer and getting it done in just minutes. It's never been easier to dominate influencer marketing. Imagine creating 10 influencers in one niche and creating and posting content daily from the AIfluencers app automatically. Next, your influencers start generating tons of followers on social media because they're good looking, sharing great content, and Instagram, TikTok, YouTube loves it. Next, your AI influencers' targeted content attracts 30 new customers, worth $150 each. That's $4,500 in new revenue. And following that, other businesses with products in your niche start approaching you to feature their products in your posts, paying you $500 to $1,000 each. 10 new businesses each month at $1,000 is an additional $10,000 in revenue, bringing your total revenue to $14,500 a month, all from creating and posting virtual AI character content on social media. And this is a reality. There are people doing this day in and day out. With AIfluencers, you can save thousands by avoiding human influencer fees and promote your own products and services. Create multiple influencers for any niche, fitness, fashion, gaming, and more. Rent or sell AI influencers to businesses directly from the app. Post high-quality content across multiple platforms 24/7. Promote affiliate products or sponsored campaigns seamlessly. Engage with followers to build a loyal and active audience. Represent brands in any niche, any language, or market. Imagine having an AI influencer promoting your products non-stop, generating leads and driving sales while you focus on growing your business. Users have seen up to a 20% increase in engagement and thousands in revenue using AIfluencers. Whether you're a digital marketer, a course creator, a local consultant, or an agency owner, AIfluencers equips you with a secret weapon to scale your business effortlessly. There's nothing to install, your data stays secure with end-to-end encryption, and AIfluencers simplifies influencer marketing better than any traditional method ever could. It seamlessly integrates with your existing tools and is so user-friendly that even a beginner can master it. Create your AIfluencers account and start building your virtual influencers today. However, this offer won't last long, and the price is increasing every few hours. Act now, and you'll not only receive our commercial usage license, but also access to some exclusive bonuses listed on this page to jumpstart your success. Your AIfluencers purchase is fully protected by our 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee. To see for yourself how effortless it is to create and monetize lifelike AI influencers, and if it doesn't meet your expectations, we'll refund every single penny, no questions asked. But time is running out. To secure your exclusive access to AIfluencers, along with the commercial license, bonuses, and step-by-step training on how to maximize your profits, you need to act fast. AIfluencers is currently available for a one-time fee with no monthly costs or setup fees. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you revolutionize influencer marketing with the power of AIfluencers.